up, YouTube? It's your girl Kiani Gee, and I am back at it again, honey, with another curly hair get ready with me curly hair tutorial, whatever you want to call it, my curly killer. We're doing it. Tutorial inspired by the one and only Scary Spice from the Spice Girls. For all my 90s babies out there, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you are at all interested in how I got this look, how I killed this look, then please stay tuned and roll the clips.
So here you see my hair in its natural habitat. First, we're going to take our Hawaiian Silky leave-in conditioning spray, and we're going to spray our roots to make it easier to manage when putting it up in our little mini pigtails. Okay, so we're going to take our smooth down brush and smooth down our roots. If you want a straighter part, feel free to use a rat tail comb. I personally don't care if my roots are super straight. Now we're going to split it in half and make little mini pigtails. There you have it with your spray conditioner. And now I take a thicker rubber band because I break the little tiny rubber bands because I have super duper thick hair, but if your hair is finer, feel free to use a smaller rubber band. I personally just have to use a thick rubber band. Now get it up there tight. Perfect. And we are going to do the same on the other side. We're taking our Hawaiian Silky and we're spraying it on our roots. Perfect. Oop, got it on my eyebrow per usual. I swear, it's not a curly tutorial without me getting something on my eyebrows. Anyway, so split it in half and make a cute little pigtail, and a little more leave-in conditioner never hurt anyone. So spray, 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 dab, dab, dab. And use our smooth down brush to make it perfect, darling. Anyways, okay, so we are going to get our rubber band and tie it up there. Blump, blump, blump. Gosh, I'm having a good time. Hope you guys are too. Anyways, okay, so wrap, 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 and tight. Make sure it is tight. Okay, now we are going to take part of our hair and we are going to wrap it around the rubber band. Wrap it around the rubber band. Say that 5 times fast. Wrap it around the rubber band. Wrap it around the rubber band. Anyways, okay, so wrap it around the rubber band. And a wrap, 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 and a wrap, 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 and a skitty, skitty, scat, scat, scat. Okay, so now we're going to take our got to be, and we are going to spray the end and spray the front just so it stays in place, and we get rid of any little flyaways because who doesn't want their hair to be a little bit more perfect? You know? I know I do. Okay, so and do the same on the other side. Take a curl and wrap it around that rubber band. It gives it a little je ne sais quoi, if you ask me. Anywho, so wrap, 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 and a wrap, 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 and I'm wrapping, and I'm wrapping, and I'm wrapping, and a spray that got to be, spray that got to be. Okay. Now that that's done, we are more than halfway through. Okay. Love it. So cute. Okay. Anyways, we're not done yet though, guys. So now we're going to take our got to be again and we are going to, oh, girl, spray it on our smooth down brush and smooth away any other possible flyaways. Just get rid of those babies because ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, grrr. Okay. Now spray all over and give your hair that volume that we all love so much. Okay, now we're taking our Fructis argan oil, which smells delicious, and we are going to spread it thoroughly throughout, oopsies, our whole entire mane. Gives it, it's good for your hair, and I mean, it smells delicious, so why not? And now we're going to take our Curls Unleashed, honey, styling mousse. Ooh, okay. And we're going to put that throughout our hair and also on our roots to get rid of those flyaways. and this will just help our hair stay good throughout the whole day. Now we're just spraying it with some Proclaim shine spray to make our hair shiny. Bum, ba-dum. Okay, so now it is time for my favorite part. It's time to take our got to be and put it on our baby hairs, baby. Get it, girl, get it. Make them edges pop. And this time is, as I always tell you guys, this is time consuming to make your baby hairs look perfect, but it is time well spent. So no pressure, take your time on this, but yeah. Okay, get it, girl. And then you want to take it and get it on the roots just in case we have any flyaways. We are really trying to get rid of any flyaways during this whole process. Now take the rest and just spread it throughout your whole entire mane. And this is our finished product, you guys. How easy was that? How fun was that? Do you guys love it? Please leave a comment below and then smash that like button and subscribe. Share it with your friends that might be in the Curly Killa fam. And yeah, I had so much fun doing this look and filming, and I hope you guys had fun watching. Okay, talk to you guys soon, and I will be back with more videos. Okay, bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that push notification bell, honey, so you can get updates on every time that I upload. Okay, talk to you guys soon. See you guys soon. Love you guys all. Mwah.